when I was looking at this place, I was actually looking at the engineering department, and I really loved their take on hands-on learning versus a lot of other universities just being all conceptual learning. And NNU allowing you to get in and get your hands dirty was just something that was totally amazing to me, and something that really drew me in past the community of people. But one of my favorite classes is actually data structures, in which you learn all the different ways to store data, all the different ways on which data is promulgated throughout a system. I like to see the aspect of I went through that class and I know how hard it is, and it was crazy difficult. And now being able to teach people and help them get through that class and really know the stuff more than just get through it is so rewarding. Probably the other favorite class is, since me being cybersecurity, I took cyber forensics. And part of that class was actually done at the Idaho State Cybercrime Unit. And so we got to job shadow and be a part of their operations there and solve cyber crimes forensically. And so being able to do that was also rewarding because you get to be hands-on. And like I said, NNU is very hands-on. Being able to go to the Idaho State Police Station, I mean, that's a huge deal. They're doing real forensic work there, and being able to be a part of that real work is just so amazing. I was able to join this research team in which we were researching malware, and we were doing it with machine learning. And through this research that happened this past summer, it really got noticed, actually. In fact, I got published for this work 3 times, so 3-time peer-reviewed published author, which is super awesome. And it's really, you feel good about it, but it's also very humbling because you're I can't even believe that I was able to do that work, right? And not only are we adding to the database of knowledge, something that's never been done before, other universities are looking at this work that NNU has done and seeing that we give good students. And I always tell people whenever I TA for their class, every assignment matters. You never know when that assignment, you can just adapt it and say, oh, look what I've done before, add it to your portfolio. And I think that that's one of the things that NNU really does great is it's not busy work. You're really there to learn. Every assignment that you turn in is going to be something that's very important to the next stepping stone of your academic career. One of the craziest things ever is I turned in this assignment for one of my machine learning classes. I've used that same assignment for a research project that I was on with the Australian government. We were detecting bushfire behavior. I used that machine learning assignment I turned in for NNU. I didn't even really change it at all, and gave it to the Australians, and they were just so impressed with the work we were able to do. Part of the research that I had done here, specifically in cybersecurity, was noticed by another university, and they had offered me a full ride to pursue a PhD for cybersecurity, which is just crazy because I hadn't even graduated yet, and I'm still overwhelmed with trying to get all my finals in, and I hadn't even applied, and here's all these offers. So studying at NNU has really just been a blessing. It's been overwhelmingly amazing, I guess you could say.